5 of the record of appeal of
for the second day running, the Court of Appeal judges continued hearing an appeal lodged by President Uhuru Kenyatta, opposition leader Raila Odinga and the electoral body Iebc. Iebc, through their lawyers Githu Muigai and Erick Gumbo, maintains the High Court erred in its judgment about lack of quorum to carry out constitutional duties.
It was a three-judge bench. It was a 5-judge bench. It was a 7-judge bench. With tremendous respect, nothing in our jurisprudence turns on the number of judges. We do it out of abundant caution, out of demonstrating how important, how significant a matter is.
Among the matters raised before a 7-judge bench is about the legality of the more than 1 million signatures verified by the electoral body Iebc.
Do you have a problem telling us what your client said about what verification means? Do you have a problem with that? It's a very easy question. Please, what did they say?
My lords, I understand you to say, in that particular document, my lords and my ladies, the chairman of the commission in his findings said that verification includes verification of the signatures.
Push and pull between electoral Iebc and the judges ensued for some time on whether the signatures verified are authentic.
After reviewing practices in other jurisdictions,
yes,
it was clear that a person mandated to verify signatures must satisfy herself or himself that the said signatures belong to the persons whose names appear against them.
Yes, my lord.
My question is, did that happen in this case?
Yes, my lord. It did happen.
Your client was able to satisfy itself that the signatures belonged to the persons against whose names they appear?
Yes, my lord.
Besides Iebc, opposition leader Raila Odinga and President Kenyatta defended themselves over the judgment that they are the promoters of the Building Bridges initiative BBI. Through Raila Odinga's lawyer Otiende Amollo, he told the court the two handshake partners are not the promoters of BBI but only the supporters of the initiative.
The promoters of this initiative was Honorable Dennis Waweru and Honorable Junet Mohammed. The court insists on finding that His Excellency President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta was the promoter of this initiative.
Otiende Amollo, however, said the president has got the mandate of initiating a constitutional amendments process through a referendum as opposed to the High Court judgment.
Any person in this country, including the president, including this court, can support the initiative.
How do you verify those voters?
Not a single person, despite the publication by ABC, came out to complain that my name was put there erroneously.
And next on the radar was President Kenyatta, where his legal team led by Gatonye Waweru, Mohammed and Kimani Kiragu trashed the High Court judgment that the head of state can be sued.
There's a distinction there.
Yes.
So we need to, did they say he could be held personally liable for performing his functions, or did they instead say he could be held personally liable for performing functions that are outside what the Constitution gives them?
A declaration is hereby made that, that civil proceedings can be instituted against the president or a person performing the functions of the office of the president during their tenure of office in respect of anything done or not done contrary to the Constitution.
Yes, that is so. Not for what is done within their powers under the Constitution, but outside.
Personally. That's correct, my lord.
Lawyer Nyauga holds the view that the head of state has total immunity, but the judges hold some reservation.
My lord,
what would you answer?
you cannot sue him. The immunity is absolute because the president may have exercised his powers as president,
With the second day having elapsed, respondents in support of the appeal will finalize their submissions on Thursday before the respondents opposed to the appeal takes the stand. It's a battle of wits as the legal experts, mainly those supporting and those against the Building Bridges Initiative BBI, face off in the corridors of justice. But all in all, the fate of the BBI lies in the hands of the 7-judge bench led by Daniel Musinga. Reporting for Ebru TV, I'm Khaemba.